The Filmfare OTT Awards 2025 celebrated the finest talent in the world of web series and digital films at the luxurious JW Marriott in Mumbai. The night brought together actors, directors, and creators who have redefined storytelling in the OTT space. Topping the list of winners, Black Warrant was crowned Best Series, while Vikramaditya Motwani, Satyanshu Singh, Arkesh Ajay, Ambika Pandit, and Rohin Ravindran won Best Director, Series for the same show. The critics' favourite for Best Series went to Patal Lok Season 2, with Anubhav Sinha for IC-814, The Kandahar Hijack and Nagesh Kukunur for The Hunt, the Rajiv Gandhi assassination case winning Best Director, Series, critics. In acting categories, Jaideep Ahlawat won Best Actor, Series, Male Drama for Patal Lok Season 2, while Jahan Kapoor took home the Critics Award in the same category for Black Warrant. Monica Pamwar was named Best Actor, Series, Female Drama for Khauf, with Rasika Dugal winning the Critics' Honour for Shekhar Home. Comedy shines too, with Raat Jawan Hai winning Best Comedy Series Special, Barun Sopti and Sparsh Srivastav sharing Best Actor, Series, Male Comedy, and Ananya Pandey taking Best Actor, Series, Female Comedy for Call Me Bae. Supporting roles were also recognized, with Rahul Bhatt for Black Warrant and Tilottama Shom for Patal Lok Season 2, winning in drama, and Vinay Pathak for Gram Chikitsalay, and Renuka Shahane winning in comedy. Non-fiction content shined as well, with Angry Young Men earning Best Non-Fiction Original Series, while Girls Will Be Girls won Best Web Original Film, with Shuchi Thalathi receiving Best Director, Web Original Film. Critically acclaimed performances included Vikrant Messi for Sector 36 and Preeti Panigrahi for Girls Will Be Girls for Critics Awards in Web Films. Technical excellence was also celebrated, with awards for cinematography, editing, sound design, VFX, background music, and production design across series and films. Highlights included Pankaj Kumar for cinematography in Khauf, Tanya Chhabria for editing, Phantom FX for VFX, and Justin Prabhakaran and Rochak Kohli for music in Aap Jaisa Koi. The awards also recognized newcomers and debut directors, including Pushkar Sunil Mahabal, Black, White and Grey Love Kills, Anurag Thakur, Black Warrant, Shubham Vardhan, Stolen, and Arachita Agrawal, Dispatch. Short films were honored too, with Divorce, Aisha, Chashma, and Langur receiving top accolades. The Filmfare OTT Awards 2025 not only celebrated outstanding performances but also highlighted the creative evolution of storytelling on digital platforms, proving that OTT content continues to redefine Indian entertainment.